spirits dance in harmony with the wind. A tale of resilience unfolds. It is a tribute to the survivors of Standing Rock, a testament to their unwavering spirit and their profound connection to the earth. Let us embark on a journey through the echoes of their voices as we explore the necessity of the freedom of sovereign nations as protectors of the earth. In the face of adversity, the warriors of Standing Rock stood tall, their hearts beating with the rhythm of justice. Like a symphony of courage, they united as one, their voices echoing through the valleys, carrying the weight of 1,000 generations. They bore witness to the sound of violence, the clash of greed against the sacred, and they refused to be silenced. Their struggle was not simply for themselves, but for the very essence of the earth. For they understood that the land beneath their feet was not a possession to be exploited, but a living entity deserving of respect and protection. In their eyes, the earth was a sovereign nation, a custodian of life, and they were its guardians. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow upon the water, the creators beheld upon the survivors of Standing Rock a profound truth. They saw the power of unity, the strength of community, and the beauty of diversity. They witnessed the unbreakable bond between humanity and nature, and they marveled at the resilience of nations. In the face of injustice, they raised their voices, not in anger but in harmony. They chanted songs of hope, their words carrying the ancient wisdom of their ancestors. With every beat of the drum, they tapped into the collective heartbeat of humanity, reminding us of our interconnectedness with all living beings. The survivors of Standing Rock taught us that the freedom of sovereign nations is not just a political principle, but a fundamental necessity for the protection of our planet. They showed us that the earth is not a resource to be exploited, but a living entity to be cherished. They ignited a fire within us, a flame of passion that burns bright, reminding us of our responsibility to be stewards of the earth. So let us honor the survivors of Standing Rock, for they are the embodiment of courage, resilience, and love for the earth. Let us carry their legacy in our hearts as we strive for a world where sovereign nations thrive, where the sound of violence is replaced with the harmonious symphony of peace and unity. Here, in the depths of our souls, we hold their story, their struggle, and their triumph.